Okay, so it's asking us to select all the following which represent y as a function of x. So it's this y as a function of x thing, but now with a table instead of a graph. Well, how does it work? Y is a function of x when every x goes to only one y value. When every x value goes to only one y value. What am I talking about? Well, notice right here, let me jump to the second one. See how that's the same x value going to two different y values. So this one's a no. And then, yeah, here also. This one's a no. Not, yeah, let me just write it in blue here. This one's not a function. This one also is not a function. Why? Because they have the same x value, 3, on the first table, going to two different y values, 1 and 13. And then the second one, they have the same x value, 2, going to two different y values. You don't want that. That's a no-go. That's not a function. How about the third one? This one's a function. Yes, this one's a function. Why? Because every x only goes to one y. We never have two x's. We never have the same x twice going to different y values. How about the third one? Yeah, this one's good too. This one's yes. It's a function. Does that make sense? So the test is you want every x going to only one y. Now you might wonder, what a weird thing. Like, why are we doing this? Well, what it is, it's just how math, it's just a rule math set up, but they did set up the rule to be useful in real life. In real life, we like things to work this way. It's awkward when they don't. What do we mean? Think about your toaster, right? Or any kind of robot or machine. Well, let's go back to the toaster. So with a toaster, you put in bread, you get out toast. You put in frozen waffles, you get out toasted waffles. Of course, toaster is a function. Toaster is a function, right? It's inputs, outputs. This is like the x's, and these are like the y's. The x's is what you put in, and the y is what you get out. That's what a function is. It's just inputs and outputs. Toaster is a function. A microwave oven's a function. You know, whatever you put in, and then it makes something come out. Now, you wouldn't want a toaster where you put in bread, sometimes you get out toast, sometimes you put in the same x, bread, and you get out cheese or something. I mean, I know that'd be crazy, but you get the idea? You wouldn't want any kind of function to have the same input giving you two different outputs. Sometimes toast comes out, sometimes cheese comes out. Who knows what's coming out of that crazy toaster, right? That would be wacko, wouldn't it? Well, that's why we call it not a function. It's not functioning. It's not how we expect things to function. You don't want an x value, the same x value going to two different y values. Like, we don't like this right here. That's why it's a no-no. You don't want the same x value going to two different y values. That'd be like a crazy toaster. So that's why we say that. Every x value must only go to one y value, not two different y values.